A small but powerful furnace. I have a month with him and I love it. I use nail polish on the buttons and the letters are not discolored when cleaning. I have been using my new convection oven, toaster almost every day. I live alone and most often have no need of using my big oven anymore. I can heat up some fish and chips in just a few minutes, make a quick bread or pan of brownies, etc. It fits on my countertop without taking up a lot of space. It's easy to clean and so far I have not had any issue with the labels on the buttons fading, which some others have mentioned in their reviews. Had ordered 2 other toaster ovens prior to this one that also advertised broil features. My main reason for purchasing, since my oven broiler went kaput and due to virus I want to limit people who enter my home. One was a convection, other was standard toaster oven. While they advertised preset temps with ability to adjust, that was not the case and the broil presets were only 350 degrees, definitely not standard broil temps which are 400 to 500 degrees. This Cuisinart has preset broil function at 500 degrees. Wonderful. I've also used the standard bake function to test. After experimenting, I choose to cut time by a few minutes versus cut temp. It bakes nicely. Tonight we try convection. So far, while a smaller oven than what I wanted, this one performs well for my needs. I only gave 4 stars overall because while the temperature and time settings are easy once you get used to them, there is a wee learning curve. Love how quickly it preheats. My one concern was after first use the drip pan coating seemed to peel a bit, not sure you can readily see in the photo, but has not accelerated with use. Still, would not expect this for the price of this product. The rack is a bit tricky to pull out when a pan is being used for cooking, but I just use a fork to help ease it out for easier retrieval. Compared to others I tried, this is a keeper. Oh, and the oven with the white front is very attractive. For some reason, even if I rotate photo it still comes out sideways. I would recommend to friends. Great second oven for pizzas where you don't need to heat up the larger oven, and wait for it. Perfect for our family of 4, easy to use and pretty accurate in temp as far as I can tell. The only complaint I have is that the lettering on the buttons run off easily, see picture. The oven arrived yesterday and I've used it 4 times so far, twice for toast, once of pizza, and once for phyllo dough and brie pastries. As others have stated, the build quality is far from rugged. The exterior is made of thin metal and the pan that comes with it warps slightly when it gets hot. The exterior metal makes a small pop as it expands when it heats up and again when it cools down. Click link in description for more reviews. Please subscribe today.